Hello friends, welcome to Basicity of Amines Part 4. Please check all the videos related to Basicity of Amines. The link is here. What will happen in these cases? This is a para-anisidin, this is meta-anisidin, this is ortho-anisidin, and this is the aniline. Now regarding this, which one is the most basic, that we will have to check. The para one will be the most basic because it can exert a plus R effect. Plus R is a resonance effect. This electron goes here and it shifts the electron density towards the NH2 group, and the electron density here becomes more, and the para one will be the most basic among these four. Now the next case will be where we have to place, that we will check. Now regarding the ortho isomer, ortho effect is into play, so it should be the least basic, but in this case ortho is not the least basic, it is the second least basic, okay, because of the ortho effect. The next case is aniline or meta. The meta case, isomer is more basic, aniline is the second basic here, and then the final one will be the meta. Why meta is the least basic in this case? Because it cannot show plus R effect. It cannot show plus R effect because in the electron resonance, the hybrid structure, electrons are only at the ortho and the para position, so it cannot show plus R effect, and it can only show negative inductive effect. Since it shows negative inductive effect, it shifts the electron density towards itself, and the electron density here becomes less, and that is the basic criteria. The electron density here, if it is less, it is the least basic. So para is the most basic, followed by aniline, followed by ortho, followed by meta. Now what will happen in these cases? These are the aminophenols. This is the para aminophenol, meta aminophenol, this is the ortho aminophenol, and this is aniline. Which among these will be basic? The same case like the previous one. This will show plus R effect since it is at the para position, and it will be the most basic. Regarding meta, ortho and aniline, the ortho, the meta and the aniline, which is the most basic that we have to consider. The meta isomer again will be the least basic because again it cannot exert plus R effect. It cannot exert plus R effect, and due to the negative inductive effect, it tries to pull the electron density towards itself, okay, and then the electron density over here will become less, and it will be the least basic. Now regarding ortho and the aniline, which one will be more basic? Ortho is more basic than the aniline in this case. It is due to the stability of the anilinium ion. This is the anilinium ion. The hydrogen bond over here, due to this it is more stable, and therefore ortho is more basic than the aniline. So para is the most basic, followed by ortho, followed by aniline and M. Regarding OCH3, the anisidin, and the OH, only in these cases we were having the different thing, that the meta one was least stable. It was due to the fact that plus R effect was not shown at meta position, and both have the negative inductive effect. Now what will happen in this case? We are having phenylene diamine. This is paraphenylene diamine, this is metaphenylene diamine, and this is orthophenylene diamine, and this is aniline. Now which among these will be more basic? Here the substituent is NH2. In all these cases we have additional NH2. Okay, so the NH2, it has a prominent plus R effect. The resonance, the lone pair of electron here, it goes into resonance, it donates the lone pair of electron towards the ring. Okay, so thereby increasing the electron density here, and it will be more basic. It will be more basic. So the plus R effect is dominant. Now regarding negative inductive effect, it is weak. The negative inductive effect means it will take the electron towards itself. This is weak. So in this case, when you consider the OH and OCH3, the plus R effect was there, but their minus I effect was strong. Their minus I effect was strong, but in this case minus I effect is weak, and this will follow the normal trend. Para will be the most basic. Most basic will be the para, because lone pair of electron it is donated. The next case will be meta. Meta will be the most, after para it will be the most basic one, followed by aniline, followed by ortho. Now our ortho is the weakest base because of the ortho effect. It is same as in the case of toluidine. Toluidine, we had NH2 here and CH3.